Hi friends, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna prepare Malai Gobi or Malai Gobi. Okay guys, so I have boiled this cauliflower gobi with little bit of turmeric, and I have also boiled this aloo with a little bit of turmeric in it. So now I will fry this in oil. At first I will fry this gobi and aloo in this oil. So first I'm putting this oil. So let's the oil get heated properly, then I will put this gobi and aloo for frying. As this oil is heated properly, so I will put this cauliflower. With this boiled potato, I have semi-boiled it. And now I will put salt according to taste, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, stir it. Leave this for 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, let's see what he's up to. See, as you can see, it has turned this, so I will just take it out in this bowl. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of beaten curd. So now I will mix this beaten curd with ginger, coriander leaves and chilli powder. So I will put 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, few coriander leaves, and this green chilli, and I will make this. Means I will make a fine paste of this. So in the same karai, I will put again refined white oil, cardamom or elaichi into this, jeera or cumin seeds. Will stir a bit. Now I will put this mixture of curd and coriander and ginger and chili paste, green chili. Red chili powder, turmeric, sugar, salt. I will stir this. Now I will put this sauté fried cauliflower gobi and aloo into this. So now let's see. As it is almost cooked. So now I will put cashew paste, like 2 tablespoons of cashew paste, 1 tablespoon of poppy seed paste, 1.5 tablespoon of coconut paste. Carefully. It's time to put little bit of water So this. As you can see, this potato and gobi is already cooked, and you can have this with plain rice. So this Malai Gobi or Malai Full Gobi is ready to serve. I will just let this cook for 1 to 2 minutes, and then before taking out from karai, I will put desi ghee to this. Will just serve this. So guys, this Malai Gobi or Malai Full Gobi is ready to serve, and as you can see how beautiful it is looking. And this recipe is requested by one of my lovely subscriber, so I hope you will like this recipe, and if you do so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for the such recipe. I will again come with a new one. So till then, take care. Love you all guys.